Share the latest D-ISM-FN-23 real questions to help you practice online. 1. What is a feature of a business continuity solution? A. Reduces investment costs associated with protecting information vital to business continuance. B. Reduces security threats to vital business information stored in remote data protection systems. C. Maintains availability of information vital to business continuance. D. Maintains availability and security structure of information vital to business continuance. Answer: C. 2. An organization wants to migrate to a new payroll application. They lack the skills to deploy and administer the new application. Which cloud service model will meet their need? A. Database as a service. B. Infrastructure as a service. C. Platform as a service. D. Software as a service. Answer: D. 3. Which technology is used in the media and entertainment industry to enable content-based search activity and to create video subtitles using natural language processing? A. Machine learning. B. Social networking. C. Cloud computing. D. Internet of Things. Answer: A. 4. What is an advantage of sub-LUN tiering? A. Faster provisioning of thin LUNs. B. Dynamic expansion of storage capacity. C. Improved performance. D. Enhanced reliability. Answer: C. 5. Which component initiates scheduled backups during backup operations? A. Backup server. B. Backup client. C. Backup storage node. D. Backup device. Answer: A. 6. In a fiber channel, FC protocol stack, what is the function of the FC1 layer? A. Provide application interfaces and map several protocols to FC layers. B. Provide standards for physical interface, media, and transmission of bits. C. Provide fabric services, classes of service, and flow control. D. Provide transmission words, primitive signals, and link initialization. Answer: D. 7. During a write-split operation in continuous data protection, CDP, replication, one of the I/Os is received by the local CDP appliance. Which component received the other I/O? A. Remote CDP appliance. B. Production volume. C. Remote replica volume. D. Local replica volume. Answer: B. 8. In which format do block-based storage systems store data? A. Fixed blocks of 512 bytes each. B. Variable blocks of 512 to 2048 bytes each. C. Fixed blocks of 4068 bytes each. D. Fixed blocks of 4069 bytes each. Answer: A. 9. What is used to implement a fully functional SAN? A. IPFC. B. ISCSI. C. VXLAN. DFCIP. Answer B. 10. When using the erasure coding technique in an object-based storage system, data is divided into 12 data segments and 4 coding segments. What is the maximum number of disk drive failures against which data is protected by the configuration? A3, B4, C8, D12. Answer B.